Now let us take a look at our first question on the general gas equation. If you look at the board, the question is, a gas has an initial volume of 2000 centimeter cube, pressure of 2280 millimeter mercury, and temperature of 27 degrees Celsius. If the pressure is reduced to 1140 millimeter mercury and the temperature is increased to 127 degrees Celsius, find the new volume. So if we are to look at this, we have to collect the necessary things. We have our initial volume, which is V1 to be equal to 2000 centimeter cube. We have our initial pressure, which is P1 equal to 2280 millimeter mercury. We have our initial temperature, which is T1. If we are to convert to Kelvin, we have 27 plus 273, which is equals to 300 Kelvin. And then we have our final pressure. Which is P2 equal to 1140 millimeter mercury. And then we have our final temperature. Which if we are to convert to Kelvin, it will be 127 plus 273, which is equals to 400 Kelvin. We are asked to find the final volume, which is also known as the new volume. So we are looking for this. So if we are to substitute into the equation now, our relationship is P1V1 all over T1 is equals to P2V2 over T2. So if we are to make the V2 the subject formula, we should have V2 is equals to P1 times V1 times T2 divided by P2 times T1. So if we are to substitute values now, we should have P1, which is 2280 times V1, which is 2000 times T2, which is 400, divided by our P2, which is 1140 times our T1, which is 300. So by the time we multiply, this should give us 1,824,000,000 divided by this should give us 342,000. So by the time we divide, we are going to have 5,333.3 centimeter cube. So the value of our new volume is 5,333.3 centimeter cube.